I'm going to open up and take a look at the new game Elder Sign from Fantasy Flight Studios. I believe it's a card-based game. Kind of have an area of play in the middle. Get it open. So you have your rules of play. And this is a 10-page little booklet, so it can't be too complex. Like you get maybe an order of play card here, or it's a quick reference sheet. It's like you get a bunch of tokens here, similar to a lot of the other tokens in the other Call of Cthulhu universe games. If I can get it open, they like to pack their stuff. So it looks like maybe you get some investigator type, some sanity, health. Looks like there's some different styles of tokens here. They're double-sided to be pretty much the same. You have these, there's some sort of token with writing on the back. Monsters, it looks like. Have some Elder Sign tokens here. Some more monsters. It looks like a clock, maybe. Have some large cards. Have some dice. Different symbols on them. And you have a couple of packs of small cards. I'll flip through these cards real quick. It's like some companion cards, maybe some item cards and weapons. Different kinds of abilities or spells. That's what those look to be. Look at the backs of them. Very much like the Arkham Horror cards. And we have like a few more item cards there. And these look like maybe they're gameplay mechanic, doing something to the game. So for instance, is Arcane Art either add a Doom token to the Doom track, or Investigator, or the Investigators as a group must discard 2 spells. So these are things that can happen to the players during the game. You have these large cards here, flashcard sized. And they all look to kind of have the same purpose in the game. They may be different investigations or supernatural occurrences that occur that you're trying to stop, keep from happening. And that looks to be that stack there. Although some of them look to be the big bad guys, maybe. They have a different they look to be the different world kind of cards. So you got some that have like a gate on the back of them, and they look to be locations. These look to be things to overcome, maybe. I really haven't read through the rules, so this is all a guess. Have some with the elder sign on the back of them. These look to be the big bads. Very much like the board game, just looks like it's playing out with a card mechanic. Maybe these are your locations, these are your gates, these are your bad guys, and these are your investigators. 1, 2, 3. 16 investigators. So that's the contents for the new card-based investigator game, Elder Sign.